Welcome to the ultimate guide to planning your 2025 Europe trip. Europe is calling, and together, we're going to craft an unforgettable adventure. So grab your travel journal, fire up your imagination, and let's start planning an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Europe, with its diverse landscape and distinct seasons, offers something special year-round. But to truly maximize your 2025 trip, timing is key. Spring explodes across Europe with vibrant colors and blooming flowers. Summer is festival season. Think lively music, outdoor markets brimming with local crafts and delicacies, and a contagious energy that pulses through every city square. Autumn brings vineyards draped in golden hues and crisp air perfect for leisurely hikes. Winter offers cozy charm, Christmas markets twinkling with lights and Europe's winter wonderland magic. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Don't worry, traveling Europe doesn't have to break the bank. Start by setting a realistic budget and allocating those precious euros. Consider things like airfare, accommodation, food, activities, and souvenirs. Embrace the local culture and savor delicious, affordable meals at neighborhood markets and cafes. Look for discounts. Consider a travel credit card that offers rewards. And remember, some of the best experiences in Europe are absolutely free. Europe is a treasure trove of diverse destinations, each with its own unique personality and allure. Let your interests be your guide. Are you passionate about history? Imagine standing in the Colosseum in Rome. For art lovers, the Louvre in Paris awaits. Nature enthusiasts will be captivated by the dramatic fjords of Norway. Nature enthusiasts will be captivated by the rolling hills of Tuscany. Foodies, prepare to tantalize your taste buds in cities like San Sebastian, Spain. Foodies, prepare to tantalize your taste buds in cities like Lyon, France. With your destinations chosen, it's time to lock in those flights and find the perfect home away from home. When booking flights, flexibility is your friend. Consider flying into one city and out of another to maximize your time. Use websites and apps that compare prices from different airlines to snag the best deals. For accommodations, consider your travel style and budget. Websites like Booking.com and Airbnb offer a plethora of choices, from budget-friendly to luxurious. Now for the fun part, crafting your itinerary. Start by listing the must-see attractions and activities in each destination. Use a map to plan a logical route that minimizes travel time and maximizes your enjoyment. Allow for flexibility. Sometimes the best moments happen spontaneously. Consider purchasing skip-the-line tickets for popular attractions. And remember, it's your adventure. If something piques your interest, don't be afraid to deviate from the plan. Europe boasts an efficient and extensive transportation network, making it a breeze to get around. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, the options are plentiful and convenient. For many, train travel is the quintessential European experience. The rail system is not only fast but also incredibly scenic, offering views that are often breathtaking. Picture yourself zipping past picturesque countryside, sipping a cappuccino as the world unfolds outside your window. It's a serene and relaxing way to see the continent. Trains offer a comfortable and scenic way to travel between cities and countries. With spacious seating and amenities, it's easy to see why so many prefer this mode of transport. Buses are another affordable option, especially for shorter distances. They connect smaller towns and rural areas that might not be accessible by train. Car rentals offer flexibility, especially if you plan on exploring the countryside at your own pace. You can stop whenever and wherever you like, making it ideal for spontaneous adventures. Many cities have excellent public transportation systems. From metros to trams, getting around urban areas is both easy and efficient. The key is to choose the options that best suit your travel style and itinerary. With so many choices, planning your European adventure can be as exciting as the journey itself. When it comes to packing for Europe, less is definitely more. Start with a sturdy, lightweight suitcase or backpack that you can easily maneuver. Pack versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. Comfortable walking shoes are a must. Europe is best explored on foot. Pack a small umbrella, a reusable water bottle, and a universal adapter to keep your electronics powered up. And lastly, pack your sense of adventure and an open mind. Your well-being is paramount, so let's talk about staying safe and healthy during your 2025 Europe trip. Traveling can be an exhilarating experience, but it's essential to take some precautions to ensure your journey is as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Before you go, make sure your routine vaccinations are up to date and consult with your doctor about any additional health precautions you may need. This is especially important if you plan to visit multiple countries with varying health risks. Invest in travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost or stolen belongings. This small step can save you from significant stress and financial loss in case of unexpected events. Carry a photocopy of your passport and important documents separately from your actual documents. This can be a lifesaver if your originals are lost or stolen. Be mindful of your surroundings, especially in crowded tourist areas, and keep a close eye on your belongings. Pickpockets often target tourists, so stay vigilant. Avoid carrying large sums of cash and be cautious of pickpockets. Consider using a money belt or a secure bag to keep your valuables safe. Stay hydrated, especially during the warmer months, and indulge in local delicacies in moderation. Trying new foods is part of the adventure, but be mindful of your dietary limits. Most importantly, listen to your body. If you need a break, take one. Traveling can be exhausting, so it's crucial to rest and recharge to fully enjoy your trip. Part of the joy of traveling is immersing yourself in different cultures and embracing local customs. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and experiencing the world from a new perspective. Europe is a tapestry of diverse traditions and etiquette, each country offering its own unique set of customs and practices. A little awareness goes a long way in showing respect and appreciation for these traditions, enhancing your interactions with locals, and creating more meaningful connections. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Even a simple hello or thank you can go a long way in breaking the ice and showing that you care. These small efforts can lead to more enriching experiences and deeper understanding. When dining out, remember that tipping customs vary across Europe. What might be customary in one country could be different in another. Observe how locals handle tipping and follow suit. It's a simple way to show respect for local practices. And remember that churches and other religious sites are places of worship, so dress respectfully and maintain a respectful demeanor. This mindfulness will ensure that your travels are not only enjoyable but also respectful and considerate of the cultures you are visiting. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems tucked away on cobblestone streets, Europe is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. Imagine wandering through the enchanting streets of Prague's old town feeling transported back in time, or getting lost in the labyrinthine alleys of Venice discovering charming bridges and hidden squares at every turn. For those seeking natural beauty, consider venturing beyond the beaten path to places like the Scottish Highlands, or lose yourself in the fairy tale beauty of Slovenia's Lake Bled. Seek out local markets where you can sample regional delicacies and interact with local artisans. Thanks for watching our ultimate guide to planning a 2025 Europe trip. Remember, planning your trip should be part of the adventure. Safe travels and enjoy your European adventure.